If you are looking for prompts that create these types of images, then watch this video and I will show you and share with you prompts for free. If you want to get free stuff related to AI, like prompts, tools, and more, make sure to subscribe to AI.globally channel. If you don't have an account and you want to create your own account in Bing AI Image Creator, then you can go to YouTube and type tutorials globally, and in this channel, you will find this video here. What is and create your account for free on Bing AI Image Creator. Also, you will find the link in the description of this video. To watch more tutorials related to AI, go to YouTube and type AI.globally, and in this channel you will find videos along with free prompts.